Hi, I'm Aiden Spurley. I'm the owner of Blk Line Detailing and Automotive Customs here in Cambridge, Wisconsin. We are a fully mobile service that aims to please customers with 24/7 mobile detailing at their doorstep. I was inspired to start just working on farm equipment in my own vehicles. It really pushed me to find something to do for myself away from agriculture, but still being involved. So I started detailing tractors around the farm and reaching out to other local farms to start working on their equipment. From there, I just started working on my own truck and a few friends of mine, and now it has transformed into over 70 client base, servicing everybody from Madison to Johnson's Creek in southern Wisconsin. Here at Blk Line Detailing, we offer everything from just basic interior wipe downs and vacuums to high-skilled paint correction and ceramic coating. We set ourselves apart from other businesses in the area because not only are we mobile 24/7 wherever and whenever you need us, but we guarantee customer satisfaction. If you're not happy, we're not happy, and we will do everything to make your car look brand new. We sector off our client base in two different ways: consumer clients and commercial clients. With consumer clients, our main target is folks who care about the longevity and look of their vehicle throughout its lifetime. Whether that's just cleaning up the inside of a new car that you bought or doing a full paint correction and ceramic coat to make your car shine like no other on the road. In our commercial-based sector, we really focus on two things: anything from fleet detailing to agricultural equipment to maintain the longevity of your vehicles, and increasing the overall retention rate with employees due to a clean work environment. How do you run a business while you're still in high school? My simple answer is I just keep pushing. Every day is a new challenge, whether it's my age or the time and place I can do things. Through this, I've learned just to keep going, keep challenging myself, and keep pursuing my want as an owner and operator of Blk Line Detailing.